there's a python!
Although our acting skills are quite amazing, this is not a real python. Please do not conduct wrestling moves on wildlife.
Did you miss us?
I'm Ranger Jamie.
I'm Ranger Maria.
And I'm Camille.
And today we're learning about
Smackdown between native and invasive snakes.
First up, we have the invasive snakes. The Burmese python has a mean reputation in the Everglades. Since 2000, more than 17,000 wild Burmese pythons have been removed from the state of Florida. They can grow up to 20 feet and 200 pounds. They have tan bodies with dark blotches down their back and sides. You can tell them apart by the dark spearhead pattern on the top of their head. North African pythons have a light brown-gray body with irregular dark blotches in a pattern that is less defined than the Burmese pythons. Now, the common boa, popularized through the pet trade. The top of their heads is tannish with a thick, dark stripe down the middle and dark markings behind the eyes. The easiest way to tell a native snake from a non-native snake is that non-native snakes are going to be much larger. If you see a snake that's over 10 feet, it doesn't belong in Florida. Now, everyone's favorite, the native snakes. The cottonmouth, also known as water moccasins, are venomous semi-aquatic snakes. They have a pattern of dark and light brown crossbands with dark spots and speckles. They also have triangular heads. The insides of their mouths are pure white, which would be shown as a warning sign before striking. Eastern indigo snakes are an endangered species and are the largest native snakes in Florida that can grow up to 8 feet in length. They have almost complete black, glassy bodies with reddish-orange snouts. Now, the rat snakes are the second largest snakes in Florida, growing up to 6 feet. This snake is commonly yellow or red. There are a few species of water snakes in Florida as well. They are oftentimes confused for water moccasins or baby pythons. But don't worry, these guys are non-venomous and native. If you found a non-native constrictor or any other invasive species, go to FWC's I'veGotOne.org.
Thanks for joining. See you next time.
Good enough. Sue, what is a snake's favorite dessert?
I don't know, maybe mice?
It's a pumpkin python!
Comedy.